In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted your Instagram account and 30 days have passed by, then it means that your Instagram account is now permanently deleted. So in order to recover such an account, open your internet browser and in the search bar type instagram.com/support. Click on search. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner and then go to manage your account. Now click on the first option, scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, click on no and then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end, don't forget to mention your username and email address that was linked with your deleted Instagram account. Once you have stated down your issue, all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.